Are you writing your business dissertation and you are looking out for some structured support and guidance because, well, maybe there is not the sufficient support that makes you familiar with all the resources and tools that you need to craft it? Then, well, we welcome you to MyThesis Academy. So here we will equip you with everything that you need to master your thesis journey with success. So I know it is very challenging how to select a fitting topic, how to find the fitting methods that you need to craft the research and also the analysis of your data sets. Well, you also need to find the right tone that you need to showcase in academic writing. And, well, you need to frame your arguments. There are a lot of different things and a lot of different challenges that you need to consider and that you need to overcome at last. And so, from MyThesis Academy, we provide you with the tailored support that you need. First, there is a resource, which is the campus from MyThesis Academy. So here you find everything that you need in regard of the resources and of the strategy and also the support to stay organized within your thesis writing journey. The campus is like an academy, like a university for thesis writing. So check out which resources and which help and guidance you will find there, which is made from our thesis experts. And if you need a specific help and guidance and somebody which is at your side to help you with whatever you need, then I recommend that you reach out and benefit from the tailored and personalized program that we have, which is the one-on-one thesis consulting. So it is our pleasure to help you to craft and to master your thesis writing journey with the business dissertation. I know it is quite challenging. So let us take you by the hand. And, well, I will be delighted to welcome you to MyThesis Academy.